Almighty Lord God. Right? Isn't that how that goes?
I guess.
I don't know. He's holding a lightning stick.
It's carbon fiber.
It's
fine.
Mary Poppins at his finest.
Oh my God! It's an umbrella. Umbrellas are classy.
For Mary Poppins back in 1964 when the movie was made. Make sure you shut the lights off. I'm getting the hell out of Dodge. I'm going home.
Sounds like
We're gonna
you're
watch
from a movie.
a baked Smurf. William. No, Timothy. I'm gonna get in the old chariot here. Drive careful, Joe. Hey, shut the lights off in that damn building. Dumbass. Did I not just say don't forget to shut the lights off? No, we won't dare. Dipshit. Oh, yeah. Well, you didn't shut it off. You were the last one in there. Oh, now I'm getting wet. It's actually kind of a welcome sight. Unfortunately, I don't think we're gonna get as much as I'd like. I don't know. Who knows? Alright, so I pulled Timothy out of the field. He was spreading fertilizer. I looked in the radar, and the radar said that it was going to be a gully washer. And if you don't know anything about dry fertilizer, it takes a little bit for it to dissolve, and it needs a little bit of rain to soak into the ground. So I told him, stop now, come home, back that thing in the building, and we'll head out tomorrow morning and get it in the on the ground, because I just can't. I'm hoping it doesn't go down the Delaware. And that's what happens to this stuff, especially urea. It'll run right off. So we got a hell of a lightning thunder boomer going on right now. Doesn't mean we're going to have the amount of rain that we need to make it right. It just means we're going to have some rain. I'd like to have an inch. I mean, if we get an inch, that'll finish out my corn, really. If we get an inch, it'll finish out my corn, because I'm gonna be picking that corn in late August, early September. But there's enough moisture in there for 2 weeks. If we get an inch now, we'll have enough moisture there for a week, 2 weeks. I'm not concerned at all. The fodder can't get any less. It's already grown to 12 feet. Crazy. Some of that stuff is 11, 12 feet tall. But anyway, I guess that's enough of me yammering. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.